Hey everyone, we're at a tilapia farm where something unique is happening. We're harvesting fish at night. This harvest is no small feat. It's a process that will continue through the night until dawn breaks. Tilapia is one of the most widely cultured fish globally, known for its versatility and mild flavor. Join us as we explore how these fish are raised, harvested, and processed, uncovering the intricacies of tilapia farming. The first step in raising tilapia is preparing the fish pond. This involves cleaning and disinfecting the pond to create a suitable environment for the fingerlings. Sprinkling lime over the pond helps to eliminate harmful bacteria and parasites while adjusting the pH levels to support fish growth. Once the pond is clean, water is pumped in to fill it, ensuring it is free of contaminants and at the right temperature for tilapia. The process of raising tilapia begins with the collection of fish eggs. Male tilapia are known for their mouth-brooding behavior, where they protect and incubate eggs in their mouths. The eggs are carefully collected from the males and transferred to a controlled environment where they can hatch safely. The hatching system for fingerlings involves maintaining optimal water quality, temperature, and aeration to support the development of the eggs. As the eggs begin to hatch, the fry emerge and grow under careful supervision. Once they reach a certain size, they are ready to be moved to the main pond. When the fingerlings are large enough, they are transferred to the main pond. This is done using plastic bags filled with oxygen to ensure their safe transportation. This method helps reduce stress and mortality rates during the transfer process. Once at the main pond, the fingerlings are released and allowed to acclimate to their new environment. Feeding is a crucial aspect of raising tilapia. A new method of feeding is employed to ensure optimal growth rates and health. This involves providing a balanced diet rich in proteins, vitamins, and minerals. Feeding is done at regular intervals to maintain a consistent growth pattern, and the fish's health is closely monitored to adjust the feeding regimen as needed. Tilapia typically reach harvest size after 6 months of growth. At this stage, their weight and size are checked to determine readiness for market. Harvesting is done using casting nets, a method that efficiently captures large numbers of fish without causing injury. After harvesting, the fish are transported to a processing facility where they are cleaned, gutted, and prepared for packaging. This step ensures the fish are safe for consumption and meet market standards. The processed fish are then packed, often with added ice or other cooling methods, to maintain freshness during transportation to retailers or consumers.